Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this lesson, we're going to be discussing the rules that we learned in the English key, and in it, we are going to be tested on the rules that we had discussed. So, in this lesson or exercise, it is telling us اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. That means read and write, but you put the haraka at the end of the words. What is the haraka? Now remember what the rule was. Without alif lam, you have a tanween. With alif lam, you have a regular dhamma, fatha or kasra. In this case, and remember also that the default haraka for every noun is always dhamma. Okay? Unless there is something to change it, the default is always dhamma. Okay, so keep that point in mind for the future. So, masjidun, al-masjidu. Al-ma'u, ma'un. Al-ma', the water, ma'un, water. Al-baytu, babun, qalamun, al-qalamu, al-kalbu, kalbun, qamisun, waladun, al-hajaru, al-waladu, himarun, al-himaru, al-hisanu, hisanun. So you should be able to differentiate now between alif lam and without alif lam. Next portion tells us اقرأ واكتب, read and write. Number 1, المكتب مكسور, the desk is broken. Number 2, المدرس جديد, the teacher is new. القميص وسخ, the shirt is dirty. اللبن بارد, the milk is cold. المسجد مفتوح, the masjid is open. الحجر كبير, the stone is big. اللبن بارد والماء حار, the milk is cold and the water is hot. الإمام جالس والمدرس واقف, the imam is sitting and the teacher is standing. القمر بعيد, the moon is far. المنديل نظيف, the handkerchief is clean. The next exercise, it is basically filling in the blank spaces with an appropriate word. And as in all exercises, you should actually try to do these by yourself first before referring back to the recording so that you know how much you are understanding. Alright, but I'm assuming that you've already done it by yourself and you're basically just cross-checking with the video to make sure that you got it right. So number 1, al-hajaru thaqilun, the stone is heavy. Number 2, al-babu maftuhun, the door is open. Number 3, al-qamaru jamilun, the moon is beautiful. Number 4, al-waraku khafifun, the paper is light. Number 5, al-mindilu wasikhun, the handkerchief is dirty. And number 6, al-labanu harun, the milk is hot.